President Pranab Mukherjee today said that India is a bright spot in an otherwise gloomy global economy. He was addressing the Engineering India Promotion Council's Diamond Jubilee celebrations in New Delhi today.
President Pranab Mukherjee has said that India is a bright spot in otherwise gloomy global economy and it should invest in infrastructure and human capital to achieve and maintain high growth of over 8% over the next 2 decades. The President expressed confidence that India will achieve a growth rate of between 8 to 8.5% in the current fiscal on the back of moderating inflation rates, lower current and fiscal deficits, strong foreign currency reserves, as well as a stable tax policies. He was addressing the Engineering India Promotion Council's Diamond Jubilee in New Delhi today.
In the wake of recent developments in the global financial markets, India, with its moderating inflation rates, lower current account and fiscal deficit, strong foreign currency reserves, stable tax policies, and an expanded growth rate of 8 and 8.5%, which are expected to be achieved in the current fiscal, appears as one of the few bright spots in the otherwise gloomy global economy.
On this occasion, Commerce and Industry Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that Make in India campaign is aimed at promoting manufacturing through required economic reforms.
After a slowdown phase, India is very much on the recovery path. With higher GDP growth and with higher GDP growth rate and improved manufacturing growth, the government has clearly conveyed and demonstrated its intentions towards aggressive reforms to eliminate the bottlenecks of growth. I know all of you all have concerns about infrastructure growth, among others, and I assure you we will give maximum priority to infrastructural growth and development.
Indian economy grew at 7% in the first quarter of financial year 15-16, becoming one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. The GDP growth improved from 5.1% in financial year 2012-13 to 6.9% in financial year 2013-14 to 7.3% in the last fiscal year. Ajay Mishra, DD News, New Delhi.
Though the GDP of India has slowed down to 7% from 7.5% in the previous quarter, there are various factors that give a much clearer picture, saying that the Indian economy is on the growth track and moving in the right direction. We bring you certain figures which clearly show a bigger picture of the economy.
The story of Indian economic growth is one of the most talked aspects, not just in our country, but across the globe. Say it the rating agencies or the brokerage firms or the analysts and economists. Everyone believes that Indian economy and its growth is the most happening story currently. Indian economy is the fastest growing economy in the world. There are various elements that support the fact of the growth of Indian economy and show a much better story amidst the GDP numbers slowing down to 7% from 7.5% in the previous quarter. Consumer spending has been increasing in the last 1 year. In the financial year 2015-2016, the consumer spending has grown enormously. Also, there is an uptick in the investment space too. The percentage has gone up from 2.3 to 4.9 in the recent months in this financial year. On the other side, the non-farm economy is also booming. There is a tremendous improvement in the performance of the non-agri sector too. In the last 1 year, the gross value added in the non-agri sector was around 8 to 9%. Most importantly, inflation has gone down to comfortable levels. Consumer price inflation cooled to 3.78% in July, giving respite from the high level of 5.4% in the month of June. Also, the gross value added growth rises. The gross value added growth, which represents the contribution of capital and labor in the production process, also grows in the financial year 2015-16. The industry and manufacturing is also picking up when compared to the previous years. Government has also stepped in to tackle the issue of bank NPAs and to deal with the problem of stalled projects. Also, there is a significant improvement in the foreign direct investments too. On the whole, the Indian economic growth seems to be absolutely in the right direction. Business Desk, DD News.
And now it's time for the top business stories of the day in Business Wrap.